Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you exactly how to write a code block in Markdown using VS Code. It's super easy, and once you know it, your readme files and documentation will look so much better. So let's jump right into it. First of all, open the VS Code. Now create or open a file ending with .md. For example, I will create one new file, naming this as readme.md and enter it. Then choose the folder where you want to keep this. I'll keep this here and I'll create a file. Now step 2 is to use triple backticks for code blocks. Type 3 backticks and press enter. Suppose example, this is the 3 backticks. I'll enter it and I'll type the code console.log and type here hello world and close the backticks. Now step 3 is to specify the language. To get syntax highlighting, write the language name right after the opening backticks. For example for JavaScript, right here JavaScript and preview the Markdown. Click the open preview button at the top right or press Ctrl plus Shift V. You can also use inline code by wrapping a word or phrase in single backtick. And that's it. Now you know how to write beautiful code blocks in Markdown using VS Code. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more coding tips and let me know in the comment what Markdown fix you want next. I'll see you in the next one.